Hello all, here's a little quick video. This came in the mail not too long ago, probably about 20 minutes ago. This is a Bowser 482 that is going to be transformed into a Norfolk and Western K2 utilizing a Bachmann shell. And I decided to test the engine to see what needs to be done, and as you can see, it's a bare bones white metal model. The builder never got around to painting and decaling it. One of the crazy things I found out was that this locomotive was a bargain. It's DCC equipped, and that's quite peculiar on a model. This model was under $150, and yet it had a Helix Humper type motor, and it was DCC equipped already. Now I'm going to take all the DCC out. I'm going to take the DCC chip out. I'm going to put a better decoder in, but the fact that this model actually does work on DCC, well, it does. And it's off the track, but that because it's a little erratic. It hasn't been lubricated much. It's going to go up on the shelf until I get around to working on it. But this is I'm quite happy to have this. And the light works too, even though I'm going to be kind of ripping a lot of it out and taking it apart, but it's going to be a nice build, and this will become a Norfolk and Western K2. It doesn't look like that now, but just give me a few months and this thing will become a beauty. Thank you for watching.